Welcome to new section. Today I will show how to create different type A logo using same bridge line. Let's start. First get slide segment tool and pressing Alt and Shift make a line and add a stroke. Now select line, pressing Alt, get a copy. Now press Ctrl D. Now select all, go to object and group. Now select, right click, transform, rotate and 90, copy. Now click, right click, transform, rotate and 60 degree and copy. Now select, right click, transform, reflect and copy. Now select all, go to object and group and adjust the size, pressing Alt and Shift. Now get 3 copy, pressing Alt. You can control minus and plus icon, zoom in and zoom out. Now select this one and get shape builder tool, add the color and make the line. Now go to second one, select, get shape builder tool and change the color. Now go to third one, select, get shape builder tool and change the color. Now ungroup each one. Now pressing Shift, select this part and this part. And delete this part. Now group each one. Now select all, increase the stroke. Now select all, expand and OK. Now get pathfinder tool and unit. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you next video.